Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add music in Videoleap. Adding music to your video instantly makes it more engaging, emotional and professional. With Videoleap, you can easily add a background music, sound effects on your own imported tracks. This guide will show beginners how to add music step by step and customize it perfectly. So first, open to your Videoleap app. If you do not have a Videoleap app yet, you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. And you can go to your new project, or you can simply go to any of the project of the previous one and make sure your video clips are added to the timeline over here. Once you get into this timeline, on the bottom we can find this audio. Select to the audio. Over here you can select to this music, and you can find a lot of music with the artist or the story blocks as well. Select any of the music that you want to put it on your timeline or on your video, and that is it. This is how you can add music in the Videoleap app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.